Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Stock number is A7314. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps as well as a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. You have a rear facing entertainment center here. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and of course get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.